how to fix error 404 in GoDaddy. You want to log into your GoDaddy account and click on your profile icon or name in the top right and go into My Products. From the Products section, you will scroll down until you see Domains, and you want to select DNS here. Once you click on DNS, you want to go into Forwarding. So here we're just going to go into Forwarding and choose the domain, Add Forwarding. Now here you will be asked for the page which you want to forward to. So we want to do a permanent page, and whichever page is giving you the error here, you will just type the redirectional page. So for example, you're getting an error on the collections page, you will then go and provide the correct URL right here. Afterwards, you'll just click on save, and that is going to forward the incorrect web page into the right one. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.